Hi and welcome to Lesson 2 of Table Rate Shipping for WooCommerce, setting up shipping classes and zones. In this video, we will learn how to set up shipping classes and zones in WooCommerce. Let's get started. From your WordPress dashboard, go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Click on Shipping and select Classes. First, let's talk about shipping classes. These help you group different products with similar shipping needs. For example, small items, like t-shirts, can be in one class, and larger items like jumpers in another. To create a shipping class, click on the Add Shipping Class button. Add a title, slug, and description to your shipping class, and click Create. We have successfully created a shipping class. Now let's assign classes to your products. Go to Products and click on All Products. Edit a product. Once you are in the product editor, scroll down to Product Data and click on the Shipping tab. Go to Shipping Class and select the shipping class you created. This ensures the correct shipping rule applies to each product. Once the details are added, scroll up and click Update. We have successfully assigned a shipping class to a product. Next, let's set up a shipping zone. Go to WooCommerce and click on Settings. Click on the Shipping tab. Once you are in Shipping Zones, click on the Add Shipping Zone button. Add a name to your shipping zone and select the region like the United States. Once the details are added, click on the Save Changes button. Now let's add table rate shipping to your zone. Click on the Add Shipping Method button and select Table Rates. Click Continue. We have successfully created a table rate. Now to configure your table rate, click on the Edit button. Configure the method title, like Shipping Table Rate. Include tax in the shipping cost. Click on the drop-down menu and select Yes, I will enter cost below inclusive of tax. Add your maximum shipping cost, including tax. You can also add a handling fee if you want. In Calculation Type per order, enter your handling fee per order. Add the minimum shipping cost and the maximum shipping cost per order. Once the details are added, scroll down and click Save Changes. We have successfully configured table rate shipping to our shipping zone. And that's it. Now you can set different shipping rules for different zones. That wraps up our lesson. For more plugin tutorials, subscribe to Sleekr Digital.